MetaMask Tumblr has recently emerged as a significant player in the cryptocurrency world and is widely regarded as a social media optimization tool. It is designed to help users safeguard their digital assets and ensure privacy by anonymizing transactions. This guide is for those who have decided to download and use MetaMask Tumblr or are new to the program. By reading this, you'll learn everything you need to get started. MetaMask Tumblr is an extension of the popular MetaMask wallet and has gained considerable attention from users. Its developers have focused on solving the issue of anonymity in digital currency transactions. The tool works by merging or tumbling transactions, aggregating multiple transfers to make tracing the source and destination of funds significantly more difficult. This feature is particularly appealing to users who prioritize privacy on the blockchain. There are several reasons to use MetaMask Tumblr. Blockchain transactions are public, meaning anyone can trace the sender, recipient, and amount. Tumbling adds a layer of privacy by concealing these details. MetaMask Tumblr also uses modern encryption technology to protect your assets from hackers and malware. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with the MetaMask wallet, known for its user-friendly interface. It is compatible with various browsers and supports multiple cryptocurrencies, making it accessible to a wider audience. To download and install MetaMask Tumblr, you need to follow a few steps. First, choose your preferred browser. MetaMask Tumblr supports popular options like Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Visit the official MetaMask Tumblr website to ensure you download the authentic plugin and avoid counterfeit or malicious software. Once you download the extension, install it by navigating to your browser's extension or add-on store. Then locate and add the MetaMask Tumblr file. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, you can log in and connect the Tumblr service. If not, create a wallet with a strong password and activate the wallet recovery option. After setting up MetaMask Tumblr, you can configure it for use by selecting your preferred blockchain network, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon. To use the tumbling feature, ensure your wallet has sufficient cryptocurrency. Navigate to the Tumble section, select the cryptocurrency you want to tumble, and set your desired level of privacy. Higher privacy levels may cost more but provide better anonymity. Review and confirm the details to complete the process. MetaMask Tumblr combines your transactions with others to enhance privacy. To use MetaMask Tumblr effectively, it is crucial to keep your wallet password and recovery phrase secure and never share them with anyone. Using a virtual private network, VPN, while accessing MetaMask Tumblr can provide an added layer of privacy. Always ensure you are visiting the official website to avoid phishing attacks, and keep your browser and MetaMask Tumblr extension updated for the latest features and security fixes. Be mindful of gas fees, as network congestion can lead to higher transaction costs. If you encounter issues during installation, ensure your browser is up to date, and disable conflicting extensions. For delayed transactions or missing funds, verify wallet addresses and check for network congestion using tools like Etherscan. Adding higher gas fees may expedite transactions during peak times. MetaMask Tumblr is a valuable tool for cryptocurrency users who prioritize anonymity and security. By following this guide, you can download, install, and use MetaMask Tumblr effectively. Always use safe practices and keep the program updated to maximize its benefits, whether you're an experienced cryptocurrency user or a beginner.